If you are struggling to grow your hair is all damaged, it's all thinning out, falling off, you have tried everything but nothing seemed to work, you need to try these two powerful natural ingredients. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I really do appreciate you clicking on this video. So, my first natural ingredient for this recipe is Moringa powder. Moringa is one of the powerful natural ingredients that have so many benefits for other things, including hair growth. Moringa powder supports hair growth by supplying vital nutrients like iron, protein, amino acids, as well as some vitamins that are very essential to hair growth. My next natural ingredient is neem powder. Neem powder is super powerful, guys. If you haven't tried this, you are really missing out on something good. It supports hair growth by improving your scalp health. It can clear dandruff. It can also reduce hair fall. It also rich in anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. This will in return help you give you that healthy scalp area. And this will in return help you grow your hair much faster. Because remember, new hair always grows from the scalp. So you need to treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues that might hinder your hair from growing. And neem powder will do just that for you. So what I did was I measured about half a tablespoon of my moringa powder to half a tablespoon of my neem powder. These two are so powerful and potent, you do not even need much. But again, it all depends on the quantity you are trying to make. So I put this in a paper towel, then I secure it just to kind of make it like a tea bag. Then after that, I'm going to get my hot water. Make sure your water is hot. We're going to dip it and extract it just as we are extracting anything from a tea bag. And guys, if you really are serious about growing back your hair or repairing your damaged hair, make sure you follow all the steps. I'm going to show you the best way to use this DIY hair growth recipe in order to grow your hair much faster, repair your damaged hair, and also help improve the overall health of your hair. I'm also going to show you the best way to store this in case you want to make it into a large quantity. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video. Alright, so what I did was I left the neem powder and the moringa powder sitting in the hot water for a couple of hours, or until you see that the color changes. You just want to extract all the nutrients you need from these two powerful natural ingredients. Once the color changes to green, your hair growth spray is all ready. And guys, when it comes to DIY hair growth recipes, you can use these natural ingredients as they are, or you can add little tweaks here and there to even maximize its benefit. I love to add essential oils to my DIY hair growth recipes. Aside the fact that it improves the smell of any DIY recipe, especially if you do not want that natural smell, it also has its own added benefits. Like today, I chose to use rosemary essential oil. Rosemary has so many benefits like treating your scalp from dandruff and also improving the health of your scalp. So it is going to improve the smell and it will also add benefits to this DIY hair growth recipe. But if you do not have any essential oils, you do not have to add it. It is also important to add some kind of oil to this recipe. I love adding castor oil to my DIY hair growth recipes because it is a thicker oil, it moisturizes your hair, and it also helps these water-based hair growth recipes stay in your hair much longer because this is all water-based. it is going to dry out. So you need some kind of oil to add to this. You can add olive oil, avocado oil, any hair growth oil of your choice. So this is vitamin E capsules. I love adding vitamin E capsules to my DIY hair growth recipes because it can help reverse hair damage, prevent hair breakage, and also strengthen your hair strands. You don't even need much. One capsule to this amount of hair growth spray is just enough. You can also add about 1 tablespoon of any hair growth oil of your choice, like I did with the castor oil, and just a few drops of your essential oil is good. Once you add everything, make sure to give it a very good stir. And hey you, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright guys, so our hair growth spray is all ready. When you have it like this, all you need to do is to spray it on your scalp. Yes, directly onto your scalp and also onto your hair strands. Use your fingers to massage it into your hair strands, and do not forget to follow with a hair moisturizer whenever you use this. Always leave your hair in a protective hairstyle to lock in the moisture so it will have enough time to work on your hair. Be consistent with the use for faster results. Apply this about 5 times a week, or whenever your hair feels dry, go in and apply this to your hair. And guys, if you have leftovers, you can leave it in the fridge for about 5 days. But if you make it in a large quantity, you can freeze it, allow it to thaw, warm it up a little bit, then apply it to your hair. Thank you for watching this video. Let me hear from you in the comment section below if this is something you would love to try at home.